In a significant legal development that could inflame communal tensions further, the Allahabad High Court on Monday dismissed a petition filed by the Shahi Jama Masjid Committee challenging a lower court's order for a survey of the disputed mosque site in Sambhal district. Justice Rohit Ranjan Agarwal, while pronouncing the order, ruled that the civil suit filed before the Sambhal court by Harishankar Jain and 7 others, claiming that the mosque was built in 1526 after the demolition of the Harihar temple, was legally maintainable. He further upheld the appointment of an advocate commissioner to conduct a survey of the premises located at Mohalla Court Purvi. The Masjid committee had approached the High Court arguing that the survey was ordered in haste, filed on 19 November 2024 and carried out the same day, followed by another round on 24 November. The committee's counsel Shakil Ahmed Warsi said they respected the High Court ruling but maintained that the legal process had been rushed. On the other hand, Gopal Sharma, representing the Hindu plaintiffs, welcomed the order and stated that the survey was both legal and appropriate under the circumstances. Notably, the Supreme Court had intervened in the case in January 2025, ordering status quo regarding a private well near the mosque and issuing notices to the Centre, ASI, Sambhal District Magistrate and the Hindu litigants. On 29 November 2024, the Apex Court had directed the Sambhal Court to halt proceedings and asked the Uttar Pradesh government to maintain peace. However, the situation on the ground has been volatile. On 24 November 2024, violence erupted near the mosque during protests against the survey, resulting in the deaths of 4 people and multiple injuries due to stone pelting and arson. With the High Court now clearing the way for the survey, legal experts believe the matter may soon return to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the atmosphere in Sambhal remains tense and all eyes are on how authorities manage law and order as the dispute escalates once again.